Welcome to the TechHub.training Excel and VBA CSV Killer Challenge solution. So here we have our data. Now we're going to go to the Developer tab and open Visual Basic so that we can see our code. Okay, now I'm just going to walk through the solution code and describe what the code is doing. So in order to walk through line by line, we can press F8 if you're on a Windows, and that will allow us to step through the code. And the highlighted line of code is the next code that's going to run. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to use the name of this sub as a call so that it runs through this code from this other macro. So press F8, and you'll see that it jumps up to the other code. So we'll press it again, we'll dim our variables, and then our directory is the active workbook path of the CSV file. So mine pops up right there. It's cut off, but so that will give you the path that the workbook's in and where we want to save our Excel file. So we'll press F8. So I'll have the user input a new file name. You'll see the box pops up. Then we include this note to not use a name that already exists in that file path unless we want to replace the other file, because it will be overwritten if we save it under the same name. So I'll just say XLSX file as my name. Click OK. Okay, so you would notice on that last box that there's an OK button and a cancel button. So the cancel button, we want to not save it and just end the macro, and then output this message box that the file is not saved. But if they click OK, then we want to save the file as an XLSX file. So if the new file name is not false, then we want to continue with this code. So we'll click F8. Now we'll define our new file path as the directory defined up here, and then this, is that a /? And then our new file name, and then the .xlsx. So we'll click FX, and then right here I'm just printing it so that it comes out here, and we can take a look. There we go. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. And then this is what actually saves the file. So active workbook.save as, then we'll have our file name, which is our file path, which is this. And then this file format equals 51. That is the that just specifies that the file will be saved as an XLSX file. But it's kind of redundant because we already defined it up here. But just in case, I threw it in. So click F8, and then we'll output a message box that is saved in the following folder. Okay. Then that's the end. Okay, and then these VBCRLF, that basically just means that I'll show you. Whatever the input box or the message box, that just makes it so there's a new line with the rest of your text, just so it doesn't get too long. Great, I hope this was helpful, and good luck.